Hi, this is Sujit here. Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to make a video on enumeration in Swift. So, what does that mean? An enumeration defines a common type for a group of related values. Suppose I'd like to give an example of direction. So, for example, direction would be like it is one of the collection that we can define as enumeration. So within direction there are like north, south, east and west. So it is a set of the related values, right? So we can define direction as enumeration, and also we can also even like define planets as the enumeration type. So this is the these two are the like suitable examples, and I'll be like creating those two examples below. And for creating enumeration we need to use the keyword called enum. Enum should be used right just like this. And then after that let's suppose we create a compass point. So within the compass point we can give the case. So case are used to declare the values within the enum class. So case first it would be like north, um, south, east and west. So these are the directions that we use for compass point enum. And let's say for planet, let's give it as planet. And there is another way. This is the shorthand way of creating cases. Suppose let's say Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, these are the set of planets for planet enum. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a variable using the compass point, um, direction to head. Okay, direction to head. Let's say initially we are going to the direction compass point. Here we go. So compass point dot, and which direction we want to go. We want to go to east. This is in this way we can create a variable using this enum, and we can use the dot operator in order to like declare one case. And after that, like, we can even modify the direction using that variable name, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same variable, and I'm going to give it a compass point of suppose west. We can even like we can change the case just like I did. And I'd like to like give you an example of switch case using the same enum that we just declared. So switch is the keyword for switch case, and value should be the name of the variable we created. So if the case is north, then what we are going to print, we are going to print uh, let's say most planets have north, right? And like there are other cases as well. Case we like, for your information, we do not need a break statement over here. You can just like keep on creating the cases, because like break statement, Swift will it will like automatically do it for us. So we do not need the break statement. North, then after north, south. then if the variable is set to south, then we are going to print let's say watch out for penguins. And after this we want to like define the case for east. Print, we are going to print uh, where the sun shines, sun, let's say, rises. And the last case for us would be case west. And what will happen in west, sorry, skies appear blue, or sky appears blue. So default, is there any default statement over here? Because we have like covered all the cases of the direction, so we do not need the default statement. And quickly I'm going to print out what case the variable matches. So it should match west, right? Because we have already changed from east to west. So west is the place where the sky appears blue. That is correct. Let's terminate with a full stop over here. And the next thing what I want you to learn is that let's create another variable, some planet, and planet dot let's say Saturn, right? And then after we can even like create this switch system for this variable. And then after, if the case is earth, let's say, so like, and just like we did before, we use the dot operator and we give the earth, right? Then we are going to print out what we are going to print out. This planet is safe for humans. And if the case is Mars, we can just print out that life is under study. Life there is under study. And if there is any other like planet that comes across the some planet, then we are going to print out humans cannot survive in this on this planet. Okay, I'm going to quickly run this code, and we have like Saturn, and the humans can't survive on this planet. It should be like that over here. Let's see quickly. Yeah, humans can survive. Let's change the planet to planet dot Mars. Then what will happen? Life there is under study. It should print out like that, right? Mars cannot assign the value someone. Okay, so we have created a constant, right? So we create a var for that purpose. So life is underscore. Moreover, like what we can do is, we do not need to use the class enum name over here because we have already declared it, right? So we can just set it as dot earth, right? Or even like dot Mars. That would be perfectly fine, because we know that this enum is of planet type, right? So we do not need to redeclare that name of the enum. So that is about the enum, and I'm going to like give you one more example what we can do with the enum. So this planet is safe for humans. That is correct. And after that, what I want to do is, there are other like methods that we can use, like number of planets. So how many planets are there? There are altogether 8 planets, right? Planet dot all cases. Okay, there should be something like it should give me the instance. Number of planets should be something like number of planets dot all cases or all. Okay, I don't know, it may be deprecated, but let's see whether it throws the error as no member of the classes. Okay, that's fine, that is fine. If I'm going to use the count, will that work? No, it does not work. Okay, that's all about the enum. It is just the basic definition and how we are going to use the enum. So I hope you understood or got some idea using those examples and the switch case. And I'm going to save this file into the GitHub and put the link of the GitHub down in the description box below so that you can quickly download and play it around. And for the reference of this material, I have used swift.org. You can at any time go through the swift.org, and there are a lot of other examples as well. And in the next video, I'll be putting the content about the enum associated value. So it should be more like the extension of the enum part. So that's all, and have a great day. Thank you.